What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Canva Draw tool. And if you find this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Start by opening up your Canva design and then go to the left-hand panel and click Tools. Next, you can find the pen icon and click Draw. You will see different drawing tools available, such as a pen, a marker, highlighter, and so on. Click one of the drawing tools and then you can change the color accordingly. To adjust the thickness, click on Settings and drag the weight slider accordingly. You can also determine how transparent the highlighter can be. Once your settings are ready, you can move the cursor onto your canvas and then drag to start drawing. If you make a mistake, switch to the eraser tool and remove unwanted parts. Click outside when you're done, and that's how you can use the drawing tools in Canva.